हाथों में आई, आँखों में बसी, मेरी अरियाना है मेरी जिंदगी।
हमारी अरियाना।
Last 3 years of my life have been the best. From your tantrums to all our vacations जो हमने साथ करी हैं, and the biggest जो हमने अमेरिका का ट्रिप आपने और मैंने साथ किया। अब मुझे आपके साथ बाहर जाना बहुत पसंद है, and there's so much that I want to do for you. And I really like it that every day morning जब आप उठते हो and you tell me, मम्मा आपकी नींद हो गई क्या? मेरी हो गई। And then मैं ये नहीं खाऊंगी, आरू बिग हो गई है, आरू को ये पसंद है। I love every bit about you, and I just love the way you and I can talk, the way you and I share everything. मैं सोच के बहुत कुछ आई थी कि बोलूँगी, बट मैं इमोशनल हो रही हूँ बिकॉज आई लव यू, यू आर माई लाइफ, एंड आई होप व्हेन यू सी दिस, व्हेन यू ग्रो अप, you realize the kind of love we have for you. And I must say that you're a very affectionate child. You care for your family, you respect everybody, and we love you very much. Happy birthday.
Ariana is the most fun-loving girl. She has a lot of fun. I love to see her whenever I am back from office. That is the best thing one can imagine and one can have. The way she runs, the way she hugs you is the most beautiful thing. She is a very intelligent and a smart girl, and I hope she have a very, very, very bright future for her. And lots of love will be always there from everybody, Dada, Dadi, Mummy, me, Nana, Nani, all everybody will have a lot of love for her and support for her. So these are the few words from me to her, and we'll be always be there for her throughout the life.
Every day when I see her growing, last 3 years, every day she is a different personality altogether. Her exposure, her smile, the feelings she tries to express, the way she tries to talk. The first word she expressed was Dada, and it was such a great feeling for me. And now when I come home and she wants to listen stories from me, and when I try to tell her stories and the questions she asks, the inquisitiveness she has, is something very different feeling.
दादी, तू मुझे सुलाना, ती हिंदी बोलते. हाँ, मारवाडी मी त्याची प्रयत्न करूनही ती मारवाडी काही बोलत नाहीये, ती हिंदीच बोलते. त्यामुळे मी पण आता छानपैकी हिंदी बोलायला लागली आहे तिच्याशी. बस अशीच ती आनंदाने मोठी हो, सुखाने राहो, ह्याच शुभेच्छा.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Ariana.
Happy birthday, Ariana, and you grow up like a sweet little innocent girl now, and hope you have much more years of happiness. Once again, happy birthday.
Ariana, happy birthday. नवरात्रीचा तुझा जन्म म्हणजे तू लक्ष्मीच आहे. अशीच घरात हसत खेळत राहा.
Hey Ariana, wishing you a very happy birthday, sweetheart. You are the cute little angel of our Ashoka family. We all love you a lot, and all the best.
Happy birthday, Ariana. You have been my favoriteest child ever.
and I really love you for everything, and wish you a very happy 3rd birthday, and I hope I can do the best possible for you, and wish you all the best.
Good health, and I'm very sure you're going to be very intelligent, rocking in your academics, so I don't bother about that. And just keep looking cute as you are, and wish you a very happy birthday. Mwah.
I'm gonna whistle all the while, if that's what it takes to make me smile. I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna run right up this hill, summer sky or winter chill. If I gotta take a break, I will, but I'm gonna run right up this hill. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands, and maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna learn to ballet dance, learn a little something about romance. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna live a crazy dream, impossible as it may seem. Doesn't matter what the future brings, I'm gonna live a crazy dream.